In today's video, we're taking a look at how to season your new electric smoker easy and simple. This is so simple, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So you got your new electric smoker and you wanna start smoking. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. And this technique works with any electric smoker. So no matter what brand or what type you have, this will work. The first thing you want is to have an electric smoker. And now that you have that, the second thing that you need other than yourself is wood chips or pellets or discs or chunks, whatever your smoker uses. And the flavor or type that you use doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you are the king, queen, none, both of your castle. Let's go ahead and verify that we don't have anything inside the smoker that does not belong there. Because we're seasoning the entire system, we want everything that belongs with the smoker inside. So that means the grill grates, the water tray, the tray for the wood chips, the drip tray, and any other internal part that goes with the grill. Let's go ahead and shut it completely and make sure that everything is tight and we don't have any leakage. We're gonna open the vent all the way. If you have more than one vent, you wanna open that as well. And we do this because the initial part of the seasoning is to burn off all the chemicals or residues that the smoker may have from the construction or from the factory. A pro tip, that's why wiping down your smoker before this process will start you with a cleaner slate. We wanna verify that the wood tray or pellet tray is empty. If you have an outer drip tray, you want to put that as well. It may not be needed, but going to battle without a sword may create permanent damage to your career. Now that we verified that everything is in order, we're ready to launch. Let's go ahead and connect this bad boy to the outlet. In this particular model, this is a master built electric smoker and the maximum temperature on this one is 275. For the burning off process, we're looking for 250 to 300. We're setting the time for 3 hours. The first 2 hours are going to be without wood chips. And the last hour or 45 minutes, then we add the wood chips. Now that you press some buttons and you have 3 hours to kill, meanwhile your electric bill goes up, you can have yourself an ice cold, bubbly, liquid gold bottle of sparkling water. Once we hit the 2 hour mark, we're gonna go ahead and add the wood chips. In this case, we're using hickory. And depending on your model is the amount of wood chips you wanna add. We wanna add enough to go the entire hour. With this particular model, with one load, it could last the entire hour. If you notice during the process, you don't have smoke, then you would add more. Now, we entered the stage of the seasoning. That means that the first 2 hours, we hopefully killed any chemicals or residue left behind on the construction process. The smoke is gonna create a film all around your smoker. On the inside, you're gonna notice a change of color from the metal as well, and it's gonna create that perfect environment for your next smoking. And as any cooking vessel, the more you use, the bigger the layer of seasoning is gonna become. If you have a see-through smoker, you can always wipe down using safety when the screen is warm to clean it. Because just like any grill, when the grill is warm, it's easier to clean than when it's cold. Once the time is up, now comes the hard part. We have to wait until everything cools down. And now you can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Your smoker went from new to used. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.